Coyotes are highly adaptive members of the canine family, and they are able to take advantage of a wide variety of habitats, including urban and suburban areas. By the early 21st century, we've noted coyotes being widespread throughout Fairfax County. They're now an established part of our local community and can be found in virtually every area within Fairfax County. Coyotes are smart and secretive animals and generally avoid humans. In most cases, coyotes are only occasionally seen or heard. However, as suburban areas expand, we can see an increase as we cross paths with coyotes. Coyotes can be solitary, or they can live in small family groups that are composed of a breeding alpha male and female pair, along with a few close relatives, including the pups that are born that year. Coyotes are most active during the nighttime hours and early morning hours. Coyotes typically breed between January and February and give birth to a litter of 5 to 7 pups during the springtime. Coyotes play a very important ecological role in terms of a natural predator on many of the wildlife species that are abundant within Fairfax County. We can see that coyotes will prey upon small mammals as a large portion of their diet, and this can help to reduce rats and rodent issues within the county. In other areas, coyotes are also significant predators of white-tailed deer, so we may see a reduction in deer herds due to coyote predation over time. Coyotes may also help to curb the growing population of resident Canada geese within Fairfax County as they prey upon goose eggs and goslings. Coyotes are often misunderstood and persecuted out of fear. Their presence within a neighborhood or community should not be a cause for alarm. In most cases, when coyotes are encountered, they will flee and they pose very little threat to humans. Coyote attacks on humans are rare within the United States and largely stem from encounters when coyotes are being fed by people. Pets that are left outside unattended may be at risk from coyotes, especially during the nighttime hours. Coyotes are territorial and may view larger dogs as competitors. Coyotes may also view small dogs and cats as prey items since they're similar in size to coyotes' natural wildlife prey. As a safety measure, we recommend that people keep their pets indoors and not leave them outside unattended. Cats should be kept indoors whenever possible as a safety precaution. We ask that people leash walk their dogs using a leash 6 foot or less so that they maintain control over their dog when outside. Most conflicts with coyotes can be avoided using simple preventative measures on your property. This includes securing your garbage in an animal-proof container or keeping it indoors prior to trash pickup, removing pet food and not storing pet food outside, removing bird feeders on your property, especially during the nighttime, as these can concentrate prey species and small rodents that may attract predators and coyotes onto your property, and then also securing any habitat on your property that coyotes could take advantage of, such as under your porches, decks, crawl spaces, and outdoor buildings such as sheds. If you see a coyote on your property, there are a variety of hazing techniques that can be used to scare them away. This can include standing tall, raising your arms, waving and yelling and clapping at the coyote. It can include using different noise-making devices to scare them, such as whistles, bells, or banging pots and pans together. And you can also use items found on your property, such as throwing small sticks, rocks, or tennis balls towards the coyote, or spraying them with a water hose. We ask that you never approach a coyote, especially if pups are present. We ask that you keep a respectful distance and not turn your back and run from a coyote. It may take repeated attempts to get a coyote to leave your property. If you do feel that you're in an unsafe situation, we ask that you just slowly back away and go indoors if possible.